Good morning class. Today I am going to continue chapter first, that is chemical reactions and equation. So as I have explained what is combination reaction, what are the examples of combination reaction, but I think that first I have to give a short explanation of all type of reaction. So I am going to explain all the types of chemical reaction. There are five types of chemical reaction you have to read. First one is combination reaction. Second one is decomposition reaction. Third one is displacement reaction. Fourth one is double displacement reaction. And last, that is redox reaction. So first of all, what is combination reaction? कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. कॉम्बिनेशन नाम से पता चल रहा है something that combines and form a product. In combination reaction, when two or more reactants combine with each other and form a single product is called combination reaction. Combine with each other to form a single product is called combination reaction. In general, we can say A plus B, any reactant A, any reactant B combine with each other and form a product, single product, that is C. So this is how we can write combination reaction. This is a general formula how we can write combination reaction. Example such as formation of carbon dioxide. When carbon reacts with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide. Okay, reactant A, reactant B, and this is a reactant C. Both carbon and oxygen combine with each other and form a single product, that is carbon dioxide. So this is an example of combination reaction. Another example is that hydrogen react with oxygen and form water. Okay, now hydrogen single reactant, oxygen is next reactant, both combine with each other and form a product, single product, that is water. So we have to balance this equation. Here there are two oxygen atoms, so we write 2 here. Now oxygen is balanced but hydrogen is 4 in number, so we have to balance hydrogen also, we write 2 here. Now the reaction is completely balanced. So this is how we can write combination reaction. You have to learn only this general formula. If you learn this, then you can write any example of combination reaction. Next reaction is decomposition reaction. Now what is decomposition? Decomposition मतलब है breakdown. ठीक है, कोई भी रिएक्टेंट आपके हीट की प्रोसेस से या किसी अदर मेथड से, ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस मेथड भी होता है, फोटोलिसिस. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू दिस रिएक्शन, डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन इन अ ब्रीफ. सो किसी भी मेथड से किसी भी रिएक्टेंट को ब्रेक करके एक नया प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म करना, टू और मोर प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म करना, तो वो आपका डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन कहलाता है. single reactant decompose to form two or more products is called decomposition reaction. In general, we can write when any reactant AB is heated, then it gives two products A plus B. This is how we can write decomposition reaction. This is a general formula. Okay. For example, calcium carbonate is heated and form कोई भी कार्बोनेट अगर कंपाउंड आपका प्रेजेंट होगा देन इट रिलीजेस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, सो कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड फॉर्म करेगा प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फॉर्म करेगा. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फॉर्म करेगा. दिस इज द कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड दिस इज द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, सो in combination reaction, two reactant combine form single product. Just opposite, in decomposition reaction, single reactant decompose and form two product. Okay, two or more product. So combination and decomposition, combination reaction and decomposition reaction में आपके क्या होते हैं? Decomposition just opposite to combination reaction. ये आपका combination के opposite होता है. ठीक है, इसमें आपका combine होके नया product बना रहा है, इसमें आपका कोई भी सिंगल रिएक्टेंट ब्रेक होके टू और मोर प्रोडक्ट बना रहा है. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड कॉम्बिनेशन एंड डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. According to their name, displacement मतलब something that displaces other element. More reactive element displaces less reactive element is called displacement reaction. From its compound. Okay. In general, we can write any reactant AB combined with C gives BC plus A. Here C is a more reactive element, A is a less reactive element. So C has tendency to displace A, so it displaces A and combine with B and form this product. So this is a general formula of displacement reaction. For example, FeSO4 react with zinc. This is the formula of ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate react with zinc and form product. You have to write activity series of metal. Which metal is more reactive, which metal is less reactive, you have to read. Yeah, you have to learn. Zinc is more reactive than iron. Iron is more reactive than copper. So zinc is more reactive, so it displaces iron from its compound and forms zinc sulfate. iron, ferrous sulfate, zinc, zinc sulfate, iron. So this is how zinc displaces iron from its compound. Another example is that copper sulfate reacts with iron, then iron is more reactive than copper, so iron displaces copper from its compound and forms ferrous sulfate and copper. This is a copper sulfate, iron, ferrous sulfate, and this is the copper. Okay, these are the example of displacement reaction, how more reactive element displaces less reactive element. Now next reaction is double displacement reaction. Double displacement means डबल बार किसी भी एलिमेंट जो होता है एक ही सिंगल रिएक्शन में डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो, डबल एलिमेंट जो होते हैं आपस में एक दूसरे को डिस्प्लेस करें. Double displacement reaction. A reaction in which mutual मतलब बराबरी का शेयरिंग, exchange of ions takes place. ions का mutually exchange करें डबल टाइम को भी सिंगल रिएक्शन में. For example, when AB react with CD, then C combined with B displaces A and A combined with D displaces C. So there is a double displacement. First displacement is that and second displacement is that. Okay. Now the product is BC plus AD. This is how we can write double displacement reaction. Okay. Examples: when barium chloride react with sodium sulfate, then you know that barium is a metal and sodium is also a metal. It carries positive charge. Chlorine is a non-metal, it carries negative charge. Here sulfate it carries negative charge. Sodium carries positive charge. So कंपाउंड जब भी आपके बनते हैं तो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आपके चार्जेस कंबाइन होते हैं एलिमेंट के, तब वो एक नया कंपाउंड बनाते हैं. सिमिलरली इसमें पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कंबाइन होकर एक नया कंपाउंड बनाना है. सो इधर आपका डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा तो उसमें भी नए जो कंपाउंड बनेंगे उसमें पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव चार्ज मैटर करेगा. सो सोडियम कंबाइन विद क्लोरीन एंड बैरियम कंबाइन विद सल्फेट. ओके, नाउ द न्यू प्रोडक्ट इज बैरियम सल्फेट एंड NaCl. Formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. There are two sodium atoms, there are two chlorine atoms, so we write 2 here. And single barium है यहाँ पे सल्फेट भी आपका एक. Now the reaction is completely balanced. Barium chloride, sodium sulfate react with each other. There is a double displacement and form barium sulfate and sodium chloride. So this is an example of double displacement reaction. So students, we continue our type of reaction, chemical reaction in our next class. Okay, thank you class.